Okay, so let's try another problem. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here, let's see what we got here. Okay, so Barbara and Mark each rolled a single die 50 times. The frequency distributions for each of them are given below. So they're showing these two frequency tables here. One for Barbara, for her 50 rolls. And you can see when you roll the die, you can get from 1 to 6, right? Same thing goes for Mark, showing distribution of Mark's 50 rolls. Okay, so if the two distributions are combined into a single frequency distribution representing all 100 rolls, what is the median value of those 100 rolls? So what you can do is you can actually create like a new distribution, a new table, right? Combining the two tables, right? To show 100 rolls, right? So let me just try to create that table here, right? So you know that you can get a 1, right? You can get a 2, you can get a 3, right? You can get a 4, you can get a 5, you can get a 6, right? But now what we're going to do is we're going to combine the two of them, right? So the first one, 4 plus 7, right? 4 plus 7, that's 11, right? That's combining Barbara and Mark, right? For getting a 1, right? For getting a 2, that's combine Barbara and Mark. So 10 plus 11, that's 21, right? And then for 3, let's combine these two. So 8 plus 13, that's 21, right? And I guess I can go through all of these. Okay, so for 4, 8 plus 3, that's 11. And actually, well, let me go through the thing is that we're just trying to get to the median, right? So to get to the median, you have to just get to the middle, right? So there's 100 rolls altogether. So in the middle of 100, it would be in between 50 and 51, right? So once I get to something that looks like it's close to 50, I can probably do it. But I'll just continue it. So, okay, so for 5, let's see, 8 plus 8, that's 16. And for 6, that's 12 plus 8, so that's 20, right? So to get to the middle, you could count, you want to just basically get between 50 and 51. That's where the median would be, right? That would be one of these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. That's going to be where the median is, right? So let's say I count from the front, right? So the first one, so the number of ones that you got when you rolled it was 11, right? So I'm going to take, so I have 11, right? And definitely that's not at 50, 51. So I'm going to add 21 to see the twos. So there's 21 twos. So let's see what that is when I add those, right? And I get 1 plus 1, that's 2. So that's 32. So we're not there yet, right? So let me go into the threes. I'm going to add the 21 from the threes, right? So I take 32. And mind you, I'm trying to get to wherever between 50 and 51 is, right? So if I get there, then I'm good, right? So so from the threes, there's 21 threes. So 21. And let's add that. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 50, 53. Okay, so then I'm in there, right? So from counting up the ones, counting up the twos, and counting up the threes, I got 53. So that 50 and 51 is going to be somewhere in the threes, right? Somewhere in the threes. So that means that the median is going to land in the 3. So the answer to this is going to be 3. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's get out of this. All right, and that's that problem. Okay.